What is going on, guys? Today's video we have the Apple Watch Series 7. We're going to go ahead and unbox and review. With us today we have the blue aluminum case, 41 millimeters. We did get the solo loop. I will try out more loops in the future, but for now we're just going to try this out. So as you see, it has Apple Watch up here, etched in. It's really cool. I like the new packaging compared to the older ones. This is obviously a huge upgrade. If you haven't seen my other video, I have an Apple Watch Series 3. Thanks to you guys though, I was able to get this and this new one. You guys mean a lot to me for sure, and I will do more giveaways soon. Just let me know what I should give away in the comments down below of this video, and I 100% will take it into consideration, and before maybe 10,000 subscribers, I'll give that away, especially if it's a big item like an Apple Watch or PS5 or something like that. Alright, so that was a silent unboxing of this, mainly because I had to do it for YouTube Shorts. So far, I like the size. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger, but it actually is basically the same size as the other one that I have on my wrist, which is good because I didn't want it to be too big, but you have more screen real estate, which is amazing. Apple's always done a really good job with the packaging. Very impressed with it. Band now. There we go. Clicked into place and we should be good. So that's what that looks like on my wrist. All right, let's boot it up for the first time. There it is. The backing is way different on this, the newer one. I haven't seen a 6 in person, or I haven't actually watched videos of a 6 or anything newer. The backs are way different because they have better sensors on this one. This one does charge faster because it does have the new Type-C port, which is really cool. So I'm probably not going to use this all the time because I have a bed stand 3-in-1 charger that I just charge my Apple Watch overnight. But if I do need it in a hurry, if I forget to charge my Apple Watch the previous day, I could quickly charge this less than an hour. I think it's 45 minutes for 80%, which is insane. And that'll give you way more than enough for your everyday use. So yeah, that's how this is. We're going to go ahead and pair it now. If you're wondering on the color between the blue Pro and the Apple Watch Series 7, this is the blue difference. It'll match probably for the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 13 blue. It will not match for the Pros. I'm not too sure about the 12 Pro on the Pacific blue. All right, there we go. And we are paired it. So we're gonna set this up as a new Apple Watch because I don't wanna keep it like that. We're gonna put it on the right wrist, top orientation. Number one, this feels a lot lighter than the 3. The 3 is a lot heavier. I don't know if it's because of the band, but the band shouldn't make a huge difference, but this is way lighter, which is good for your wrist, so you have less wrist fatigue if you're using your phone and your Apple Watch at the same time. All right, so now we can go ahead and change the font size. As you can see, maybe a little bold. And then we can set a passcode. I'm just gonna do the same as my old one. Dang, those are that's a big screen. And the haptic feedback is way better too. And the sound, I can tell a little bit compared to my 3. I'm once again comparing this to the 3. No other watch because I don't have any other watch. So it says quickly change watch faces, customize your watch face, see your apps in a list, change your watch band, so press and slide, share your watch face, that's cool, add a shared watch face, so you can share their watch faces with these people, and then you can get them. Listen to music without your iPhone. Add music to your watch so you can listen anywhere in the Apple Watch app on your phone. Tap my watch, tap music, tap add music. Alright, so I've been using this watch for a full day now, a little bit of a day and a half, and I really do like it. The screen viewing angles are really good on this. I just immediately fell in love with how this watch is, from how fast it goes to loading times, smoothness, just better hardware. So as you can see, I have a date there. It goes by seconds. I have the time there, and then this is the new watch face here. I did a workout I took a shower with this as well. It does do a really good job at not getting water in there because of the water resistance. Another thing is that when you are texting, it's so much easier to actually get a message in. It has auto detect. So if I say hello to my channel, it's a little iffy because it is a smaller one. But if you need to write something quick, that little typing experience there is really, really easy. You do have the voice text as well, but if you don't want to speak and it's a loud area, this is a really good, easy way to text, and you can actually just type on it normally as well. So you can do that as well. It does have autocorrect as well. You do have emojis that you can pick from, which I'm not sure if the other one did, because I didn't even want to text on the other watch because it's a lot smaller. Alright, so as you can see, you can just see a little representation of how much bigger this is and the viewing angles. So that one, you can see off the edges just a little bit. This one, you can't see off the edges at all. This also has a way brighter always on display. It's almost as if it's always basically on at normal brightness, but it does get a lot brighter once you lift it. So that's the always on display, and then if I were to, that's how it is when it's brighter. So it's a minimal difference, but it's still a lot better. And in the viewing angles in the day is easy to be able to see. You can obviously look at all your notifications really well. You can see everything really clear. It's super, super helpful and amazing. I highly recommend this, especially if you have an Apple Watch series like 5 and under. Well, maybe it's a big maybe on the 5, but anything less than a 4, I highly recommend getting this watch. It's a big upgrade for sure. You'll love it for sure. You'll love it a lot. I already fell in love with this thing. It's super, super amazing to have. The only thing is that this wristband, like I said in the beginning of the video, it's a lot bigger because I didn't choose the right one. I should have went a size down, but that's okay. So I highly recommend getting this watch. If you want to pick one up for yourself, link is in the description. It's all up to you if you want to buy one. I'll also be doing a accessory video and a 1-month video in the future. I'll also be doing an iPhone 13 Pro 1-month review in about a week. So if you want to see that video, make sure you stay tuned for that. I have the new Apple event is tomorrow. I'm pretty sure this video will be uploaded today on a Sunday. Also, I got a new microphone from Power the Wise. They sent this out to me to review. I did a lab video of the same company. They have really good audio, and I've been using that. I've been using this shotgun mic to be able to record this video, or at least most of it, this section of it. So if you like this audio, let me know in the comments down below if it's good or not. I do also have my air purifier on, so I don't know if you're able to hear that, but I do have a wind muff on this as well, so if you're able to hear the wind or not. So let me know. Oh, and really quick, this is the normal sound test with no microphone at all. It's just on the normal iPhone recording. But the battery life on this is actually really good, way better than my previous one, and it charges a lot faster. I have been using the new charger. It does not work with other previous gens. The fast charging only works on this new watch, but it does charge a lot faster, which I do like, and it has an all-day battery. It does last a lot longer than the Series 3 though.